Hey all, welcome back. So on the last episode you'd have seen that we were doing a spring cleaner for the unit out the back and also getting this thing back rolling onto its wheels, which I didn't film much of, so I need to think before do and try and film some more. So as you can see, windscreen's gone, as have the glass from the rear quarters and from the boot. I've got some footage of that I'll insert after this little intro, and then we'll go straight from that into rolling these arches. Now there's a big lip on these, and obviously with the amount of width on this wheel, it would be nice to get it to a point where they're rolled a little bit further out. So we'll go ahead and do that. So for me, this is kind of a learning experience. I've never done arch rolling, at least to this extent before. I've always given it like, I don't know, 45-degree angle to try and just give a bit of clearance. But with this, I'm gonna need to, or at least I have done, got it completely wrapped over. So originally it will sit like that. And the problem is the tire touches it, pushes it up, but then grabs it and pulls it back. And it actually opens it out, which dents here inwards. So you fold it over so it just clears every time. It might rub, but at least it'll clear. I'm going to probably seek some professional advice, or at least off people that have done this a lot more than me, before I continue any further. But yeah, just a quick update for you. I haven't had a huge amount I can do this week. I've been doing a lot of work. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that. Windscreen's out, arches are beginning to be rolled. Rear quarter glass out. This car is now ready for a roll cage. There's nothing else I need to do. So all very exciting. Probably start doing some work on some other bits around the car, maybe do some work on the RAM as well. So don't forget, you can also buy merch if you are interested. A tax disc replica sticker with a QR code in the middle that brings you to my homepage. They are £4.50 posted to the UK mainland. If you are from further afield and you would like to buy one, please do let me know, because I'm not, opposed to posting abroad. I'll just have to find out a postage quote. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.